Huh. Never seen water burn before.
Yeah, that's the fuel for this torch. This is running on water and electricity. This is the latest water torch from Waterbury. As you can see, it has quite a bit of thermal mass. Does a lot of work.
Put your hand in front of it.
Oh yeah, it's a very cool flame. You can see it bounce off my fingers, about 300 degrees Fahrenheit, somewhere around there.
But yet the power of it is, it can heat up to what?
It'll heat up to whatever the melting temperature is of the material that it's working on. So here's an ingot I'm working on. You can see how the smaller pieces will fuse more quickly. In the center of this cone is hollow. The center of this cone is vacuum. Right now you can see it as a thin blue thing because it's cooking off some solvents that I just used. After those are done working through, it'll be hollow, and you can see that the real work is done when that hollow tip is engaged, and that's when things go molten. So this torch has been used for welding dissimilar materials because it can bring different materials to the same fusion temperature simultaneously.
So what are the inputs to this thing?
Sure, so this is just distilled water and electricity. We're using about 240 watts here. Step down here and I can explain. We have a simple power supply that takes our 120 volts and turns it into 77 volts DC. I have 60 cells run in series parallel, and it's pulling about 5.5 amps at 77 volts.
And then the output is this hydrogen gas here.
And that's what we get. Yep.
So what are you doing with this thing anyway? What have you been working on?
Sure. Well, over here, here's some finished pieces. To the left, these are pieces that are done with butane. They're smaller pieces. And now that I have the hydrogen torch working much bigger sets here, these are headed to the tumbler, and then they'll get set. There's some 2 and 3 carat pieces in there that I'm looking forward to getting back.
Nice.
Thank you. It's taken a lot of work, and I'm so grateful to everybody that has helped along the way. This is truly a collective effort.